Hey, what's up, guys? I kind of want to change it up a little bit. I know I do a lot of the time-lapse videos, and you can't really see, too much of what's going on. So I figured I'd slow it down, maybe show you guys how I color. And don't mind those creepy little fingernails down at the bottom. So I like to move in small circles, and I like to move pretty quick. And I try to keep in mind just like pushing the color while it's still wet, because once that color dries and you try to butt up to it again, you're going to see the seams, and it just tends to look a little sloppy. And I have super OCD, so my drawings, I just always have to be, super smooth. Another thing to keep in mind, I like to I'll cut it, in a case like this, like one finger at a time, and you don't want to try to take on too much area, because then that's when it gets really sloppy, and these markers definitely like to dry up on you. But let me know what you guys think of the video, and comment down below if you'd like to see more. Thanks, guys.